Welcome to the other section. What we have it here, what is special for spices. The most popular here of spices is Ottoman spice or the mixed spice. Because this kind of spice you can use it for everything you want, for meat, barbecue, fish, chicken, everything. Because there are some people they call the seven spices. The seven spices. The next one what we have it here is salad spice. This kind special for salad. If you put, for example, a little bit your salad and olive oil, that's all. After that your salad will be ready for it. The next one we have it here, this special potato spices. You can put it with the fried potatoes or cooked potatoes. The breakfast spice, this you can use it with yogurt, cheese, for example, eggs, black olive, green olive as well. That's meat spice. That's special for meat, what you want to cook it or put it in the stove. The next one we have is chicken spice. Here we have it with soup like mushroom soup or vegetable soup. This is special for fish. This one. The next one we have it, that's also Ottoman spices like the first one what you saw, but that's sweet. Because the first one it was hot, chili. Here we have three kind of spice. We call it Maggi. You know, Maggi is kind of cubes. They sell the market to get chicken flavor when you add it with this soup. But here we made it in Turkey natural. The first one that's, for example, salty. The next one that's without salt, and then the last one a little bit salt. Here we have it smoking spices. This you can use it just with barbecue. Cajun spice you can use it with rice, so delicious. Ras el Hanout is so famous, this kind of spices, and you can use it as well mainly with lentil soup. Sumac also so famous. That's what we added with the salad spices. It's because it's sour. And you can use it also with barbecue when you add it with onion. What we have it here down, that's Turkish saffron. Turkish saffron is good for color when you want to do something, for example, cook something and you want to get a yellow color, it's good for that. This is special for pizza and pasta and spaghetti as well. Yes. And here we have many kinds of peppers. We have white pepper, green pepper, black. Here we have mixture from everything. And the last one, that's the red one. Also, we have here one kind of spices. We always use it. This. That's Iranian saffron. You can say the best quality, number one over the world. Yes. That's everything about the spices. That's the main spice. We have a lot, but almost the people they ask us about this spice. What I was telling you about it, and I hope we enjoyed in our shop, small shop, about our stuff, what we have it, what we sell as well, and I hope to see you in our shop for every week. You're welcome. You're welcome anytime. Thank you so much, sir, for your visit, and have a nice evening. Take care of yourself. Goodbye, sir.